Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an amazing 3D pop-up effect using Canva. It's super easy and fun, so let's get started. First, upload your image to Canva, drag it onto the design area and resize it to fit the page. Make sure it looks just right. Next, go to the Elements tab and type Curve in the search bar. Choose the first options that appears. Change its color to white and rotate it 180 degrees. Increase the size of the curve slightly and position it as shown in the video. Then duplicate it. Increase the size of the duplicate too and place it at the bottom side as shown. Duplicate again and rotate it, then place it at the left side. Then again duplicate it, rotate it and place it on the other side. Now go to the Draw tool, select any pen and choose the white color. Go to the settings, increase the weight and transparency and start filling all the parts with white. Download your design as PNG. Now add new page and upload the PNG file and add it to the new page. Go to the edit image and remove background using background remover. Next, go to edit image again, scroll down to a shadow and select outline. Change the color to white. Then change background color. You can choose any color you want. Increase size of the image and download your design again. But this time, save it as a PNG with a transparent background. Upload the PNG one more time, add it to a new page again. Go to Edit Image, scroll down to Shadow and choose Curve. Adjust the distance, curve and intensity until it looks perfect. Increase the size to fit and position it at the bottom. Add the original image to the page again. Go to Edit Image and remove background using background remover and adjust the size to match the original. Use the arrow keys to move the picture slightly if needed. When done, crop the picture from bottom to create the final 3D effect. And there you have it. Your 3D pop-up effect is ready. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.